guys, welcome back to Taste Beans TV. Today I'm gonna play my remote control cars. So, easy boy.
Use your other finger to make it go.
It's very good quality. Let's try this.
So this is a special, stop please. This is a special remote control car because it can climb up the walls.
Yeah, it can.
So once you charge it, you flip this over the wall. Stop. Ready? Here, you put it on there. Attach it to the wall. Whoa. No. Put it back on the wall. If you don't want it on the wall, you turn the fan off. Go, Chase, go. Go, Chase, go. Backwards, there you go.
Oh, let's do all like that, boys.
No, that's your baby picture. Wow! Sometimes it seems to get stuck in whoa, easy boy. He's going this side. Ah, Daddy's wrecking it. Ah, Daddy's really wrecking it hard. Are dads good drivers?
No!
Are kids good drivers? No, don't go behind the bench. There you go. All right, looks like you got it stuck. Ah!
Let's get on the roof and disco it.
No, we're not going to get on the roof and disco it. It's like a party. You want to turn off the lights?
Yeah.
All right. Bring it over here. Wow! Oh, we got a car down. Oh, you want to do it on the floor only or on the wall still?
I'm down here.
All right, so that's the wall driving car, Chase. Say bye to your friends for this video. Do you like this car?
You can't get stuck.
Okay, I got it. See what you got to do. Oh, well, stop with the light. See, it has a wall setting, and you click it over to floor only. Now you can put it on the floor. Doesn't work so well on carpet. Get it off the carpet. That's also carpet. Over here. Pooch, what is that? Pooch, do you like the remote control car, Pooch?
Oh, I think I'm making smoke. That is going.
Pooches don't like it. All right, Chase. Let's end this video. What do you want to tell your friends? Chase, what do you want to tell your friends about this car?
Okay, that's our video from the remote control truck car.
That goes on walls.
That goes on the walls. We'll be right back. See you later. Goodbye.
And what do you want them to do?
So, that subscribe button.
All right.